How to fix incoming calls are not showing up on the screen, but the phone is ringing. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now search for your dialer name. In case of me, I am using Google Dialer, so I will search Google Dialer. Now tap on Google Dialer. Now tap on Phone by Google and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the dialer icon. Now tap on App Info. Now tap on Manage Notifications. Now simply enable the toggle for Allow Notifications. Again disable the toggle for Set as Silent. Now simply go back. Now tap on Display over other apps. Now make sure to enable this toggle and go back. Now tap on Force Stop and restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.